What's the deal? Today we got a special unboxing, as you can see by the bag. Let's just get right into it. I'm pretty sure everybody already knows what this is. Shout out to Apple for always taking that step forward and making things the new norm. So we finna see what this is talking about. First of all, this box is crazy. You can see the Vision Pro right there. Insane piece of technology. Also some new fashion, a new fashion piece for me, you know? Oh, okay. Cool packaging. I feel like I'm Zelda, you know, when he opens the chest. Yo, there it is right there. Dang, I wasn't just expecting that this to be right there, you know, but there it is. Handle this with some care. Okay, it has like a mount right there. You guys can see it comes with like a, I guess it's like some type of casing over it, just in case. Very premium of Apple to do this. This is my first VR headset, and this is like a instruction booklet or something. And this is like a how-to guide, or you know, like a quick start guide. Designed by Apple in California, and this is a polishing cloth. I don't need that right now. Yeah, I don't need that right now. A light seal cushion. This is to block the light out for you to use it. You want to be truly immersed in it. I think that's an extra one though. I think I already have one installed. I'm just gonna put all that stuff back. Full loop band. Oh, this is the extra band if you want to wear. There's another one. They say this one is more comfortable, but I wore this one in store and it was totally fine. But this is just another band. I'm not gonna open none of this stuff up because I don't need it. There is a lightning cable, I presume. It's a threaded one like on the new iPhones. Oh, they gave me a new like power bank.
That silver one right there is insane right there.
You know, the charger, like, oh, and it's a USB-C. I'll be using this for my iPhone as well. Thank you, Apple, for that. This is the battery for the Vision Pro. You always have to have this with it at all times, and I like the silver finish on it. But we're gonna open this up now. I'm very excited about this. I play with it in the store, and this is definitely the future. That's all I gotta say. This is really cool to have. This is really cool. I do need a case, but this is cool that Apple included this like fiber-like case type thing.
Yeah, so it won't get cracked. I seen a guy on you saw it on TikTok.
He was dropping it, bro. He was going into the wall and doing like boom. Oh, that was kind of scary. This light skill right here is not that secure, so don't hold it by that. Anyone, if you ever play with these, you know, this is insane though. As you guys can see, look at that. This is just premium. Like, this is all metal, aluminum. This is glass. Under the glass is like plastic, I believe, but like, look at this thing. This thing is premium. This thing is worth every dollar, I'd say. Plug this baby in. So this is like the power bank. Fucking hair, dude.
Dude, this looks so cool.
Alright, let me tighten it.
What are you seeing so far?
It's setting up the Apple Vision Pro to my eyes. So right now I just see an Apple logo right now. And now I see you, Anthony.
That's like, crazy.
It's on now. Like,
that's so creepy.
Everything.
That's now creepy, man.
I'm in the real world now. There's a hello popping up right here. Like, I wish I could screen grab this, but there's a hello popping up right where you are. Set up your Apple Vision Pro with your iPhone pretty much. So we're gonna show you guys this right now. Waiting for Apple Vision Pro. This thing is the future. Like, there's nothing right here, but if I look this way, there's a huge screen in front of me. So to tap everything on here, you do
gotta squeeze and pull it.
You do this. So right now I'm like doing the eye tracking. So they have like some AirPod type speakers on here, I guess, or you could wear like your AirPods or whatever. I'm looking forward to like playing like video games like Fortnite with this. I can connect like my Steam account and play the games through here. I'm a type of person who gets like easily distracted. I don't want to say I have ADHD, but I definitely get easily distracted. So this is really just to immerse me into things and just focus on like my work and whatnot. You know? Capture how you appear in FaceTime and other calls and personalized eyesight. So this is persona. This is basically like you have like a digital version of you made And when you're on FaceTime, it's like an avatar that appears and talks and moves and everything for you.
When you're ready, open Apple Vision Pro and iLook. Keep your arm. Close your eyes for a moment. Capture complete.
What?
Put Vision Pro back on to continue.
Yo, that is insane. Literally a 3D render of me. I'm talking and moving my mouth, and the thing is moving its mouth with me. Like
That's so
it's me.
Look at the eye.
Well, you can see my eyes right now?
Yeah, I can see your eyes.
Yo, Apple, you guys are the GOATs. The only thing is my hair is staying still, but I mean, I guess they can't render hair yet. But this is the first gen technology, so. Next, I'm so glad I didn't buy an iPad, because I almost bought an iPad for myself on Christmas, and something told me, you know what, don't buy the iPad. And I didn't buy it, and I didn't give myself a Christmas gift, so this is kind of like a Christmas gift. Yo.